Have you ever stepped outside on a humid day and started sweating almost instantly, even though you are barely moving? It feels sticky, heavy, uncomfortable, and somehow it feels worse than dry heat. So, what's really happening? First, let's understand what is sweat actually for. Sweat isn't there to annoy you. It's your body's cooling system. When your body temperature rises, sweat glands release water onto your skin. As that sweat evaporates, it pulls heat away from your body, cooling you down. So, the secret to cooling is evaporation of sweat. But why humid heat feels worse than dry heat? In dry heat, sweat evaporates quickly, so cooling works well. In humid heat, cooling slows down significantly. That's why 35 degrees Celsius on a humid day can feel like 45 degrees Celsius or more. It's not just uncomfortable, it's extra stress on your body. Let's explain this further. Imagine you wash a towel and hang it up to dry. In a dry room, the air has very little moisture. It's almost thirsty for water. So the water in the towel easily evaporates into the air, and the towel dries quickly. But now take that same wet towel and hang it in a steam room. The air is already full of moisture. There's nowhere for the water to go. Hours later, the towel is still wet and heavy. Your skin in humid weather is just like that towel in the steam room. When you sweat, the moisture can't evaporate properly because the air is already saturated. So instead of cooling you down, the sweat just sits on your skin. Your brain senses that you're still hot and says, "Release more sweat." And your sweat glands respond by working overtime. That's why you sweat more but feel less relief. Remember, sweat only cools you when it can evaporate. In humid weather, the air is already full, just like a steam room that won't dry a towel. To conclude, in humid weather, you sweat more not because you're hotter, but because your body's cooling system can't work properly. To stay comfortable in humid weather, wear loose, breathable clothes. Drink plenty of water. And use air conditioning or dehumidifiers when possible. Like and subscribe for simpler explanations of everyday things.